How to add work experience on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here in audience visibility section, you can see here the profile details. Okay, you can tap this. And now here in about, you can see the work. To add the work experience, okay, you'll have to do is tap the add work experience button here. And now you can add your workplace name. Okay, so for my example, I search the Google and you can see the Google here and you can tap this. And now you can see the description of your work. The job title, location, and describe your work here. So for my example, I search the publisher, so you can select the publisher. The location is Philippines and description of your work. So creator, this is a example only. And after that, the current work here. You can turn on or off the current work here. But for now, I turn on this because I work on Google. This is a example only. So okay, you can set the since. And for example, since 2024, then click OK. The date you start, sample is March. Click OK to save. March 8, click OK to save. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set. And now guys, you can set into public, friend, only me. So for example, I set into friend. And after that, after you set the add workplace, tap the save button below. And after that, okay, you can share your work. But for now, I do not share this work because this is an example only. So that's it. Okay, we have successfully add work experience on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.